give you another one. Don't worry. I got a magic box right here. This magic box is made out of wood. What is made out of? We're gonna put it inside. I want you to put it inside, okay? You ready? Everybody say abracadabra. Abracadabra. Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus. Open sesame. Open sesame. Make it disappear. Make it disappear. All right, Raphael, the Ninja Turtle, open it and show everybody it's disappear.
We on a boat ride, a Halloween boat ride. This is her first boat ride, y'all. Do you love it? Say hi, yay. Hi, yay.